OKLO stock analysis and OKLO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Which this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Oklo Incorporated is such a beautiful bullish market with a 1% down. I'm looking to just double down on this. You know, I myself, double down meaning I'm looking to buy more. Having done 42,000 videos myself, documented everything, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially here with Oklo. But this is so decent. You can see it was sitting at 21, looking to take it to 28 just 7 months back. And honestly speaking, since then, we reached 70 bucks. Now we're 69, 63. So the way that I'm looking at this thing is I just hope that I see a confirmation taking place. And if that doesn't quite happen, then I'm not going to buy. That simple. So boom, all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm waiting. My bad. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5, 10K per month trading, sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.